There are more than 400 Indian restaurants in New York City, but Semma is the only one that has a Michelin star. It's 3 p.m. in Manhattan's West Village, and in just 2 hours, 15 kitchen staff will serve more than 200 people from a kitchen the size of a studio apartment. And Chef Vijay Kumar is in charge of it all.
During the service, the kitchen it feels very intense. I mean, things may go wrong. Nothing is predictable. The goal is every single day, every single dish that comes out of the kitchen is as perfect as possible. And we're trying for the best.
You're about to see everything it takes to run a full service at one of New York's busiest kitchens. And as usual, it's a packed house.
Semma is a restaurant where it serves food that's been eaten in the rural part of Tamil Nadu and other part of southern India, which is cooked unapologetically.
A few hours before service, the kitchen's already hard at work. Some dishes need hours of slow cooking to build flavor, and every detail has to be perfect. In a Michelin-starred kitchen this small, consistency comes from making everything from scratch, by hand, every day.
All right, so this is where the most magic happens. They cook almost 5 to 6 dishes at the same time. As you can see, all the big parts. They're cooking beef over there, they're cooking biryani right here, and the 2 other dishes. It's all happening at the same time. So this is Chef Rajesh. He's like a cousin. He's been following my journey for more than a decade. Every places we work, we always work together. So he does all the curries, everything. So he's literally like my family right here.
The modest size of Semma's kitchen makes a tough job even tougher, but somehow the team makes it work. It doesn't run on fancy equipment, just well-worn burners and muscle memory. Everyone knows exactly where they need to be.
I mean, as you can see, this is very challenging. They have cooked 5 to 6 dishes at the same time in a big pot. I mean, they have to make sure, they don't burn anything. They have the right amount of spices, and there's a lot of factor that goes into cooking, as you know. They have to stay really, really focused.
Out of this tight space comes Semma's signature dish, the gunpowder dosa. It takes precision and timing to get right, but the dosa master makes it look easy. It's second nature for him, which makes him essential to the kitchen.
This is Chef Raj. We call him dosa master, and he also cooks some of the curries. He cooks at least 100 to 150 dosa a night. This is Jose. Jose will be making tons and tons of dumplings. There's a dish called paniyaram. So that's the one, he makes the paniyaram the whole night, and he takes care of other preps too. He makes the potatoes for the dosas, and he does other kind of preps and everything for the service. This is Marcos, this is Cesar. So I have to tell you a very interesting story about these two. So they used to be a dishwasher before. So they approached me Chef, is there any way that I can be a prep cook, I can be in the kitchen, I was I love this. When someone, asks me, they want to grow, they want to learn, I really want them to give an opportunity. I saw the fire in the eyes, they really want to learn. So I just gave them an opportunity to be a prep cook, and then they're actually working on the line right now. Marcos, he's actually taking over the line when I'm not in the kitchen. Can you believe this? This is what food does. As long as if you have interest and, if you have a dedication, everybody can do it. You don't have to have a highly trained chef in the kitchen to produce a good food. So I think the most important thing you have is a good heart and dedication and seriousness and sincerity. All right, it's almost 3:30 now. The front of the house team just started arriving. They started sitting on the tables for the service.
There are only 65 seats in the restaurant, and tonight 172 reservations on the books.
We just get booked 2 weeks in advance. Every single day we have about 1,300 to 1,400 people on the notify list.
Doors won't open until 5 p.m., but outside a line has already formed. Each guest is hoping for one of 12 walk-in bar seats. By mid-afternoon, the kitchen is in full swing. Prep's nearly done, but no one slows down. It's a full house tonight, and every station has to be ready for the moment orders start rolling in.
All right, gentlemen, let's go.
The first wave hits fast, with starters, breads, and the dish almost everyone orders.
Guys, 210 dosa? Yeah.
Once the dosa grill starts, it does not stop. Batter hits hot steel. A lace edge forms, and a shower of spiced podi known as gunpowder finishes the dish.
Indians from other part of India, they think that, Southern Indian food is only about either idli or dosas, right? So we just wanted to break that barrier. We didn't want to put dosa on the menu. But now the dosa is one of the most signature dish on the menu now.
At peak service, the crew moves dozens of these every few minutes.
Jessica, dosa 207, 101. Jose Paniyaram, B1. B12. Shiva, Mung Bean 206, please.
While the dosa station keeps firing, the next wave of dishes hits the line.
Guys, B10 please, scallops. B10? Thank you. Take the whole tray, the plate is hard. Thank you. Guys, 201 mushroom, 207 prawns. Thank you.
As orders build, a few of Semma's staples start showing up on tickets. Roadside kalan is one of them. Spiced wild mushrooms, finished with fennel, coriander, and a few hand-placed flowers. Simple to eat, but tricky to plate.
All right, guys, 206 mushroom, please. 206, sir. Thank you. Guys, Porial, 105 to Porial. 105 to Porial, please. 105 Porial. Okay, guys, 2 beef, 101, 303. Thank you. Yeah. Marcus, I need to come here for a few minutes. Help me out.
By 6 o'clock, the kitchen is running flat out. Tickets are piling high, but nothing stalls. As one dish is plated, the next is already firing.
Guys, one more lamb chop. Okay, the 4 pieces lamb chops goes to 101, please. 101. Thank you. Lobster solo 302. The paratha's coming up. The plate is very hard, guys. Very hard, very, very hard. Thank you. 104, 304. Thank you. Oh, it's kind of a little crazy. Guys, I need more. I need some help. Okay. Eggplant coca rice. 101 eggplant coca rice. And 102 eggplant coca rice. 101, 102. 101 eggplant coca rice, 102 eggplant coca rice. Thank you.
15 cooks, shoulder to shoulder, moving as one team. There's no extra space and no wasted motion. Their pace never slows, but Vijay still watches each plate to make sure every detail is perfect.
Uh-oh. Fix it, fell down. It's going to fall, right? You have to look for a space, it doesn't fall right here, like it. Lamb chops coming out now. Jessica, the fish goes to 102, please. Fish 102. Thank you. Yeah, can you take 1 lamb chops to 206? It's been a long time though. Ask for them to speak a little bit. 206, yeah.
One dish leaves the kitchen in limited numbers. A Dungeness crab feast for 2, inspired by chef's childhood. It's locally sourced, labor-intensive, and must be ordered in advance. So it finds its way to just 5 tables each night.
Particularly in Tamil Nadu, we make really good crab masala. And every single one is saying that this is one of the best crab I've ever had. I'm not bragging it, it's from the guests, sorry. All right, now it's things are getting clean out. That means it's almost done, so good. That was a little intense.
For a few hours every night, Semma runs at full speed. Then, as the last orders clear, the volume drops and the team exhale.
Good job, guys. Let's go. There you go. Yay! Good job.
From this tiny kitchen comes a huge reputation, and a nightly sprint ends how it began, back to prep, as the chefs prepare to do it all again tomorrow. With or without a Michelin star, their standard is the same. Make every plate count.
Yes, 207, please.